Serious errors counting Detroit's absentee ballots in the August primary has both the Wayne County and State Board of Canvassers asking the Secretary of State to step in.
But now the issue is heading to the Michigan Court of Appeals. Mara McDonald at the Detroit City Clerk's office. Mara, no one wants to see a repeat of August.
Where 72% of Detroit's absentee ballot precincts had inaccurate counts, meaning their books, which are supposed to be run and maintained by the Detroit City Clerk, did not match, which means if there's a recount, they can't be recounted legally. In what is expected to be a heavy absentee ballot November election, a repeat of what happened in August in Detroit for the primary can't be allowed to continue. Activist Robert Davis was at the canvass of the ballots.
That canvass was absolutely horrible. And it's sad to say that you have elected Democratic representatives allowing this to happen on their watch.
The Wayne County Board of Canvassers sounding the alarm on the counting problems. 72% of Detroit's absentee ballot precincts did not have accurate counts, which means if a race is tight, anything that has mismatched books by law cannot be recounted. The Wayne County Board of Canvassers and the State Board of Canvassers have asked Secretary of State Jocelyn Benson to investigate and help fix the errors. What Robert Davis is doing is asking a court to force action. The Court of Appeals has agreed to hear the case quickly.
We need these errors corrected so these same errors cannot occur during the November election, because that's going to be the golden ticket for these Republicans and the Republican president to challenge the validity of this election. Realize that Jocelyn Benson's office has already said it's going to step in here and assist and figure out what went wrong and try and provide some extra training. Well, Davis says that's simply not enough, that there needs to be a court order here that requires the Secretary of State to come in and to provide a clear plan of action, A, B, C, D, on how it is going to be remedied. Let's see what the Court of Appeals does. We're in the News Center. I'm Mara McDonald. Look for.